Fancy animation.
As leading, has a guy for leading for Pesach by several people. So we know from the Gemara Prakta, it's leaning on your back face up, but it doesn't tell us why we can't do it. It just says we can't do it. So Rashbam asks just what it's Prakta. So he tells you it's Kafel Mala Vishu Chav Al Acher basically saying that it's just leaning face up. So this is what it would be. Awesome. Rashbam says on Haseba Yamin. He also asks, what is it? What is Haseba Yamin? It's leaning to the right side. And the Gemara says we don't do it because it's dangerous, because it says that your windpipe might see the socket. Was I finished? I didn't know that. So here he's leaning to the right side. Haseba Yamin.
Will we ask questions at the end?
Yes. Write it down.
Okay.
I know.
So Tosa says on Praktan, he explains that leaning on your back face up isn't allowed. And this is the text where Tosa says about the Gemara, what if your father is your rabbi? So we know that, what are you doing?
It wasn't me.
We know that for your rabbi you don't lean, but for your father you do. So it says, what if your father is your rabbi? Because everybody's dog teaches us the Torah. So if he's your rabbi, you still have to lean. So we know from your rabbi you don't need to lean, but from your father, who do you do lean for is also your rabbi. Do you or do you not lean? Tosos leaves up. He doesn't really answer it. He just leaves it with the question unanswered because he doesn't know.
Tosos doesn't know?
Tosos doesn't know.
You can ask questions after. Sorry.
No, I know, it's not a question.
So we have a question from the Rabia. The Rabia asked, nowadays we still need to lean. Nowadays we still need to lean. He says that now it's not normal, like rich people or free people, like they don't lean. It's not normal for them. So we don't do it now because it's not something that people do now. Mordechai asks, this is the text from the Mordechai, do women need to lean nowadays? Because in the Gemara it says that they only need to lean if they're Isha Cheshuva. So from the text he writes that nowadays every woman is considered Isha Cheshuva, so every woman would have to lean. So this is from the Ramah in Simon Teron Days. He says that women don't lean because he just refers to the words of the Rabbi. So they share the same idea. So we have another question from the Shulchan Aruch. He asks, what happens if you forget to lean? Are you obligated to go back and redo it, or you just leave it? So the Shulchan Aruch says you would have to go. There's several people who touch upon this question. So the Shulchan Aruch answers. He says that you would have to go back and do it over again. See if we're good at it.
Safer close together.
See if we're good at it. So he says that today you wouldn't have to go back and redo it because of what the Rabbi says. And Rabbi says also it's not normal, so you wouldn't do it, so you wouldn't have to go back. Rama says if you didn't lean for the first 2 cups, you should go back and redo it, but you should say it without a bracha. And he says if you forget to lean for the last 2 cups, 3rd or 4th, you shouldn't go back because otherwise it looks like you're adding on to the Seder. You don't want to do that. Seth Bowen, guys, we got him doing some stuff. Joe Max is the guy that also does some stuff. Burgess is the guy who wrote the song. You guys can do it.
Excellent.
Ellie, why you not?
Yeah, I got a question.
Power off.